Okay, you're going to record your first audio recording. You need an external mic. Our computers probably have pretty good mics, but it's good to get in the practice of using an external mic with our cameras, with our computers, if you want your audio to matter. So, I have a snowball mic. We have two of these. You got to plug the cord into the back of the snowball, and then you got to plug the snowball into the computer. I need an attachment cord for that. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I'm going to plug this in to the computer. And that doesn't guarantee you're getting the audio. Then you have to program the computer to pick up the audio. So let's look at how to do that. Okay, so on the computer, we are going into Adobe Audition. That's where we're going to record. That's where we're going to be able to check our audio levels. In Adobe Audition, once you hit record, it's going to make a new file for you. You want 4400 should be fine, but 4800 should be okay too. 16-bit is usually what we used in radio, so that should be good enough. And I'm going to go ahead and call this Prac for practice. Okay, you can see now that every time I talk, the audio is recording. However, I don't think it's using my external mic. One way I can check is I can brush, and I don't see anything happening. I can tap, and I don't see anything happening. I can also unplug and replug and see if there are any changes, and there aren't. So, how do I get that? I'm going to stop this. And I need to go to the audio hardware settings. So I'm going to Adobe Audition, Settings, Audio Hardware. And I need to change my input to the blue microphone. You can see all I have is Mac Pro microphone and audio adapter. So it's not seeing this as connected. But if it did, that's where I would change it. So I'm just going to go to this. Yes. Okay. There's probably a way you can load it. I think that my connection right here is what's getting in the way. So if I just switch to a different connection, it should probably be able to find it. Okay, I'm going to cancel out of these settings and go back in. File. I go Settings, Audio Hardware. Okay, not seeing it. Anyway, I still want to show you how you would test it. Okay, so you want to make sure that your mic is getting good audio and you have it on the best settings. We have multiple settings on this mic. We have 1, 2, and 3. So what I would do is I would just run this, assuming the mic is working. Maybe this is the mic that doesn't work, I don't know. It's not lighting up, so that's not a good sign. But I would just hit record, and then I would go, I'm Camille Turner, and I'm recording on 1 of the blue mic. Now I'm recording on 2 of the blue mic. Now I'm recording on 3 of the blue mic. I'm going to check back to listen to these sounds. So I've switched them, and one thing I noticed is I got a little pop glitch. I don't know if that's because it is recording from that mic, but basically now what I can do is you always need to hit stop if you're going to play, and then I can play back and listen. I'm Camille Turner, and I'm recording on 1 of the blue mic. Now I'm recording on 2 of the blue mic. Now I'm recording on 3 of the blue mic. And then you just pick which one sounded best, and that's the one you will record with. On the next video, I'll talk to you about recording and editing.